Good evening and welcome. I'm Terrell Fairplay, news anchor with Simply Raw News. Tonight, a local cinema became the scene of unexpected turmoil when a series of firecrackers went off inside one of its theaters, causing widespread panic and confusion. According to witnesses, the startling noise erupted mid-film, sending moviegoers rushing toward the exits in a frenzy. Those in the lobby and even staff behind the snack counters were equally alarmed, with many abandoning their posts to evacuate the building. In the aftermath, the theater was forced to close for the day, resulting in a significant loss of revenue. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the incident left many shaken. Authorities have since identified the individual responsible, a 14-year-old boy named Jason Big Draws Mickeyness, nicknamed Brat Ass Trouble, who apparently thought this dangerous prank would be amusing to him and his boys. Officials are treating the matter seriously, reminding the community that such reckless behavior has consequences and can cause real fear and harm to those within earshot of the noise due to the potential for stampeding. The patrons and staff are pleased to know the little teen, is in juvenile hall awaiting his father, to pick him up. And he knows he's in for a rump-altering experience for sure, even from his mother, who's ready to tap his ashy behind. I'm Terrell Fairplay, news anchor of Simply Raw News. Over to you, Zoriana.
Hello, I'm your news anchor, Zariana XU, reporting for Simply Raw News in studio, downtown Dream City Park. Up-and-coming entrepreneur Chicago Tallahassee was arrested this evening on the Capulet Sim for almost illegal drug possession. Tallahassee, 27, concocted a substance that combined the hallucinogen property and psychological effects of lysergic acid diethylamine, known as LSD, and the euphoria of heroin, and called it wow. Officers arrived at Tallahassee's residence shortly after he reported a burglary, and he was promptly arrested when he opened the door, exposing several bags of the powdered substance on the coffee table, along with several $1,000s in cash. In other news, Clarissa Bandicoot broke into the downtown offices of pharmaceutical giant Fry Them All. She used their computers to watch movies and check her social media accounts before trashing the place with glitter and dousing their electronics with baby oil. She made off with a large case of acetaminophen and chocolate-covered peanuts. The police followed the trail of melted chocolate-covered peanuts to Bandicoot's residence, which led to her arrest. This is Ariana XU reporting.
Hello, I'm Mandolin Chief Anchor and Senior Executive Producer of Simply Raw News and Dream Effects. We hope you enjoyed our show and look forward to another news report with Simply Raw News. Till the next time, have a great evening. And thank you for watching.
Breath.